In the small, vibrant town of Pineville, Lily was brimming with excitement for the new year. Her family had just finished their annual New Year's Eve celebration, and Lily was filled with determination to fulfill her New Year's resolution: learning to bake. Lily's interest in baking was sparked when she watched her grandmother, Nana Rose, effortlessly whip up delicious cakes and cookies. "Nana, your baking is magical," Lily often said, her eyes wide with admiration. Nana Rose, with a twinkle in her eye, would reply, "Baking is like a melody, Lily. Every ingredient has its own note, and when combined in harmony, they create a delicious symphony." One sunny morning, Lily approached her mother in the kitchen. "Mom, I've decided. This year, I'm going to learn how to bake. I want to be as good as Nana Rose one day." Her mother smiled warmly. "That sounds wonderful, Lily. Why don't you start with something simple like cupcakes?" Motivated, Lily pulled out Nana Rose's old recipe book, its pages filled with handwritten notes and tips. She decided to start with vanilla cupcakes, Nana Rose's specialty. With her mother's guidance, Lily carefully measured the flour, sugar, and other ingredients. As they mixed the batter, Lily's mother shared stories about Nana Rose's baking adventures. Lily listened intently, feeling more connected to her grandmother with every story. However, baking was trickier than Lily anticipated. Her first batch of cupcakes didn't rise properly, and the frosting was too runny. Disheartened, she said, "Maybe I'm not cut out for this." Her mother put a comforting hand on her shoulder. "Lily, remember what Nana Rose always says: baking is a mix of patience and practice. Don't give up so easily." Encouraged by her mother's words, Lily tried again. This time, she paid closer attention to the recipe and took her time with each step. When the cupcakes came out of the oven, perfectly risen and golden, Lily's face lit up with joy. "Mom, look! They're beautiful!" she exclaimed. "They sure are." "Well done, Lily!" her mother replied, beaming with pride. Lily couldn't wait to share her success with Nana Rose. During their next video call, Lily held up a cupcake for her grandmother to see. "Nana, I made these following your recipe." Nana Rose's face broke into a wide smile. "They look splendid, Lily. I'm so proud of you. Remember, each time you bake, you're adding a bit of your own heart into it." As the year progressed, Lily continued to bake. She experimented with different recipes from Nana Rose's book, each attempt teaching her something new. She learned the importance of precision in baking and the joy of sharing her creations with others. By the end of the year, Lily had become quite the baker. She even started creating her own recipes. Her family and friends were always eager to taste her latest creation. Lily felt a profound sense of accomplishment and connection to her beloved Nana Rose.